Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can use to generate images for free using the best model that is currently available. This is Recraft V3, and if you watch the benchmarks, it is supposed to be one of the best, if not the best model that you can use for image generation. Here you can see Recraft on this arena is the number 1, whereas Black Forest Labs Flux 1.1 Pro, an amazing tool, is second and Ideogram third. The differences between these products are not that big. Getting Recraft AI V3 model for free, using it every day up to a certain amount of credits is always beneficial, especially considering how Flux Pro is quite limited into the free applications, and also Ideogram, they only allow a very small amount of free generations per week nowadays. The 3 websites that we will be talking about today are down below in the description. The first one is Based Labs, which I really like. Second one is the original Recraft repository, and the third one is this Red Panda AI. So the links for these things will be down below, and as a showcase of how this works and whether or not it works, we will be generating for example 3 images using prompts from Ideogram, so we can also compare the quality. If you want a very detailed comparison view of these tools, you can go and watch the video that I uploaded like 3 days ago, where we compare all of these things together. So let's go over here on Based Labs. This is the first website to show you exactly how you can use Recraft. So after you create an account, sign in, you will be able to select a model over here. You want to select Recraft V3, and you see here that this is allowed for the free version. You want to paste the prompt here and select aspect ratio. You can also put negative prompts over here. I'm just going to go for a landscape view. Also, there are advanced settings if you're an expert. And let's generate an image. So we are going to be comparing with Ideogram, which is this generation, and this is the Based Labs result. So it takes a little bit of time for the generation to happen, because you have to understand that these models are not very small. The best models are quite big, and this is the result. So in all honesty, it's not bad at all. It's very good. I like it, but I think this one is won by Ideogram. Now let's go to Recraft. You want to sign in, you want to create a new project, and after you create a new project, you will have specific options over here. So we're waiting for the creation of the project, and we want to select image. Here you can paste the prompt. Now be careful, because this free version of Recraft does not allow for a very big generation. Also here you can, by clicking this button, you can add negative prompts. I don't care about that right now. You can see here that the prompt is cut off because it's quite big, so I don't expect the generation to be very good. Also here you can select the aspect ratio. The other things are sadly locked for the free version, and you can of course check out the paid versions. It's like $10 for both Based Labs and Recraft. It's very cheap to buy thousands of image generations per month in these platforms. That's why they offer also so many free credits every day, because these models, they're big, but they already got the resources. And here is the generation. So you can see that the guy is not exactly standing on the bridge, which is kind of bad, but again the result is very realistic and quite good. But again, I think Ideogram is just smashing this. The final one is this Red Panda AI. So again, it has a limited window of image generation. I'm going also to put a smaller prompt so we can have a more good comparison between those projects and products. And this is the result of Red Panda AI, which is a little bit worse than the other ones, which makes me think that maybe this is not Recraft V3. But let's check out another very small comparison, just for the sake of comparing these things. I'm going to try and generate this guy over here, this Roblox character. The prompt is not very big. You can see here it's quite small. So let's copy this. Let's go here on Based Labs, and let's generate a new bunch. Let's go here on Recraft, click on the empty space, image, drag and drop, use the middle mouse button to move like a touchpad, Control-C, Control-Paste, okay, it contains the whole template, select the aspect ratio, click Recraft, and here we will be doing the same. So thankfully, the text prompt is, can fit in the window. So this is a very realistic generation. Here, the prompt is for ideogram 2.0 default rendering, general style, not realistic. So it captures a little bit this animated thing better. This is realistic one, very nice generation in my opinion. Tell me down below in the comments how you feel about them. This is very nice as well. This is like having a professional designer design this thing. I think it's very good. I really like it. And this is the result of a Red Panda AI site. So this is also very good. I really like it, and it's very close to ideogram. Let's try one more prompt, and in order to get high quality prompts, you want to make sure that you use websites like ChatGPT. So this is a very big prompt. It won't work for the generator. Maybe this prompt is small enough. So let's see. Let's do one more generation. Generate new batch. Again, we go here. You can click on the image, replace the prompt, and it will just replace the images generated with the old ones. But make sure, if you want to keep the old images, save them before doing that, because you will lose them forever. And let's paste this over here. Again, the links for these websites will be down below in the description. So let's check it out. All right, nice Indian guy. Nice. Okay, I would say that this is very good quality. One thing that I like about this Recraft website is that it allows you to also put fine-tuned style Recraft v3 versions. So you can also select other options. So I'm going to try this photorealism thing because I know that it is very, very good. The photoreal thing, if you want photoreal images here on Recraft, it's very nice. I really like it. So let's see the result on Base Labs. Quite good, nothing amazing. Ideogram is a little bit more like a thumbnail. So keep that in mind. But yeah, I would say that there's not big difference between these things. I think all of these are quite good actually. And for Base Labs, you can also get other tools, other image generators, which you may want to do. And yeah, realistic wise, this is very nice. Very nice images, quite close to the prompt. No hallucinations or anything. Even the fingers seem quite okay. Not 100% okay, but it's a very small part of the image. Who cares? And this is the guy over here, which is nice. It's a good result. It's a good result. So you can see the quality of the generations, and you can watch my past videos for other free image generation tools and ways to improve the image generation result. I have so many valuable insights. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. Subscribe, watch the old videos if you're more interested in free AI image generations.